Are you looking for a reliable, straightforward, high-efficiency gas furnace that can lower your utility bills and be easy on your budget? If the answer is yes, then the Trane S9X1 just might be the furnace for you. In this video, we'll break down the S9X1's features and go over who might benefit most from this furnace. Hi, I'm Brian with Fire and Ice. We've talked to thousands of customers across Central Ohio, and we are often asked, is there an affordable furnace that will reduce my energy bills? Time and time again, the solution is the Trane S9X1 gas furnace. In this video, we're going to cover what are the features of the Trane S9X1, what is the efficiency rating for the S9X1, who's the right fit for this furnace, how much does the S9X1 cost, and finally, what to do next. By the end of this video, you'll know if the Trane S9X1 furnace is right for you and your home. Let's explore the features of the Trane S9X1. For starters, the Trane S9X1 comes with a single-stage gas valve. This means that when the furnace is on, it's running at maximum capacity. Next is its efficient ECM blower motor, which is designed to be over 20% more efficient than the older fixed-speed motors. The S9X1's blower motor is designed to provide a reliable flow of conditioned air quietly and efficiently year-round. The S9X1 uses a smaller insulated cabinet made from heavy steel. The smaller cabinet is designed to fit in virtually any home, be airtight, and provide quieter operation. Last is the S9X1's secondary heat exchanger. During the heating process in a standard efficiency gas furnace, as much as 20% of the fuel used can be wasted. In high efficiency furnaces, like the Trane S9X1, a secondary heat exchanger consumes wasted gas a second time, resulting in much higher efficiency. The Trane S9X1 is considered a high-efficiency furnace and has an AFUE rating of 96%. This means up to 96% of energy used by the furnace goes directly towards heating your home. We can also think of it in terms of money. For every dollar spent on fuel, up to 96 cents can go towards heating your home, and the remaining 4 cents are exhausted as waste. This means that the S9X1 maximizes the fuel it uses. Now you may be asking yourself, is the Trane S9X1 right for me? The Trane S9X1 is an ideal gas furnace for homeowners who are looking to reduce their utility bills, have reliable, straightforward heat at a lower initial cost than other high-efficiency furnaces. Additionally, if you are tight on space, the Trane S9X1 can fit virtually anywhere thanks to its 34-inch cabinet height. Although smaller cabinet sizes can result in reduced airflow, an experienced HVAC technician can make adjustments during installation to maximize airflow. The Trane S9X1 furnace can be a great fit if your existing single-stage furnace already meets your heating needs, but you want a more efficient model. However, if you currently have hot and cold spots or temperature swings during the winter, the S9X1 would not be a good furnace for you. You'd likely be better off with furnaces that can provide more even temperatures with two-stage heating or variable speed motors. Since the Trane S9X1 is a high-efficiency furnace, 2 PVC pipes will need to be run from your furnace to the outside. If you live in a home with a finished basement or in a home where access to the outside is difficult, a high-efficiency furnace may not be right for you. Now for the most important question, how much does it cost? The Trane S9X1 furnace can cost between $3,900 and $5,000. This price includes the cost of equipment, labor, and any additional fees. For comparison, a new furnace replacement can range between $3,000 to $7,600, making the Trane S9X1 an affordable, high-efficiency option. Factors that can change the price include the size of your home, filters or other indoor air quality products, the location, and any modifications that are needed to be made during the installation. There is no one-size-fits-all solution, and these factors are taken into consideration when determining the cost. Let's talk about what to do next. If you want more information on the Trane S9X1 or other heating solutions, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day even better.